We got a key fob from a 2020 Hyundai Kona here, and I'm going to show you how to open it up if you need to replace your battery. So go ahead and flip it over, and you have a sliding button here that we're going to need to slide over to the right with our thumb, hold it down, and that will allow us to pull out the emergency key. And once you have it out, we'll split the remote open using this little slot that's right here below the slot where the key fob goes in. It's a little shallow little slot, so if you get a flathead screwdriver, put it in there. It doesn't go very far in there. It doesn't go in there at all, really. Just put it in there and give it a twist. Okay, and it'll crack the remote open. Okay, see how it cracks the remote open? It cracks it open just a little bit. It's a little worn out. And that'll allow you to get your screwdriver in there to open it up. Now you want to do this with the buttons facing down, and then you can open it up like this. And here's our battery. You just slide it right out. And I'll show you what size the battery is. The battery is going to be a CR2032 battery, positive sign facing out towards us. Slides back into the remote like this. You get the cover. Put it together, start at the top, work your way down, okay? Now if you need a battery, check the description box. I'll have a link, takes you to Amazon where you can buy the correct battery right there for like $2. Get your emergency key, put it back in, and if it locks, you're all done. Well, I hope the video was quick and straight to the point. If you thought it was, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment.